Hi students, Andhra Pradesh.
Please like this video, subscribe, get notified.
Hi friends, my name is Rajeshri, studying 10th class. Today I am explaining trigonometric sum. If tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, 0 less than a plus b less than or is equal to 90 degrees and a greater than b, find a. Solution. Tan a plus b is equal to root 3 tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan a plus b is equal to tan 60 degrees tan a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. A plus b is equal to 60 degrees. Equation 1. A minus b is equal to 30 degrees. Equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2 is equal to a plus b plus a minus b is equal to 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. 2a is equal to 60 degrees plus 30 degrees, 90 degrees. A is equal to 90 degrees by 2. 2 ones are 245 is equal to 45. From equation 1, 45 degrees plus b is equal to 60 degrees. B is equal to 60 degrees minus 45 degrees. B is equal to 50 degrees. A is equal to 45 degrees. B is equal to 15 degrees. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe, like, share